everybody, today I'm working on a grapevine wreath because it has been a while since I've made one. I found one and I was like, I'm gonna get that. This one came from Walmart. I don't know where the tag is, I just cut it off. 18 inches, they're like $5. I think that's a decent deal because I like these from Walmart because the branches of the grapevine or whatever this actually is, I don't know. They're really thin. And the wire around them matches really nicely. Every grapevine you get is going to have something wrong with it. Like, I made hundreds of these, and I've had 100 different problems with each one. Most of which you never see because, we cover them up. This one has a big break right here in one of the bigger branches. I don't want to deal with that, so I'm going to put that to the back. And then I'm looking at this in my monitor right now because it kind of helps a little bit to see. This is slightly thicker. Is it a big deal? No. I mean, if this was like straighter, then yeah, this would be a problem. But it's a round wreath, just this is slightly thicker. So if we're gonna put stuff on here, let's try to put it here. It doesn't have to be down here. I mean, if it's at the top, you would put this at the top or at the bottom, whatever. But I'm gonna concentrate on right here. To figure out where I wanted to place this, I just kind of said, all right, this is where I want it. Like, this is where I want it. And then I kind of felt around here, said that it needed to come across here, and that's where my line of pipe cleaners went. So because I might end up replacing this, let me see. I want it there. So instead of going through the grapevine, I'm going to go around it. So I have this on here. I'm not trying to go overboard because every time I show Michelle a wreath, she's like, I like it. It's not for me. And I'm like, no, it's not for you. It's for somebody who would pay for a wreath, not somebody who would give me 15 cents and be like, make me something because you're cheap. She knows these things. Nobody think I'm exposing her any more than I have in any other video I've done. So trying to keep this simple, I'm just going to add some leaves. I'm going to add a bow, I think, right here. So let's make that. I'm just going to make a simple 3-loop bow with this. Is this buffalo check even if it's small? I'm using like every shade of orange I have. Loops, 6 inches, same thing I always do. I mean, sometimes in life, you have to make difficult decisions. This is not a hard one. I hate that bow. Okay, so, as I was saying, I'm going to cut these down, but I'm going to leave them kind of long. If I can get the sticker off my finger. I'm just going to place these around. See, I'm all aggravated because of that woman. I don't even know if it was a woman who parked the car, or it's just a woman who was in the car, and I was like, oh god. So I'm gonna do like some here, some up here. Maybe put the bow over here. I don't know. I just, that bow is not doing it for me. there is where we're at. I should actually be down a little bit like that, but that's okay. So you still see some of the grapevine, which if I'm using a grapevine, I want you to see it, you know? I don't know what's wrong with this bow. Oh, does it look better up there? More over here. Maybe up here, like across from there? Let's see that. Look at this bag of pumpkins I got from Dollar Tree. Aren't they cute? Not Dollar Tree. That other place I go, Walmart. More, but I guess you'll see what happens in the final pictures. I mean, it might be a completely different wreath by then. But yeah, this doesn't have to take as long as it took me. But, you know, if you find a sign, wire it to a grapevine wreath. Don't staple through the front, and then you have to figure out how to mix paint to cover it. Slap a bow on, and you're done. Because this is like 1, 2, 3, $6.50, like a $12, $13 wreath maybe. And that's cute. Make a bunch of them for Christmas, give them out. Find you some signs somewhere. Probably cheaper somewhere else than at Dollar General, I'm sure. Or make your own signs. Alright. That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna move this bow, I think, though. So, here are the pictures, and I will see you guys later. Bye.